Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my garage. If you want to see me change a lower ball joint on a 96 Ford Mustang, stay tuned. Okay, now we get everything out of the way. I may still have to move the strut, which means if I had to remove the strut, yeah, you probably could have done it. I don't know, it's still difficult. Just got a nut up there. This will drop down. Get it out of your way. This is what you want to use. It's a Maddox system, and it will pop that back out, and it will also press it back, press the new one back in. See if you can ball that pressed, jack screw, receiving tubes, installer adapter, remover adapter, installing cup, receiving cup, installer cup. So and there's your different sizes that you get with this kit. I did get this at Harbor Freight, and I've used it once before. On the other side, in fact. Okay, we'll do a quick overview of how the system works. What you've got is your top bushing cup. It's got like 3 different sizes here because you have 3 different types of cups depending on how wide you need it, so this will fall into it, right? This one will go on the bottom here, and then it sits on your system like that. Probably have to drop my thing down a little bit. This is the top one because that's going to go over that like that. This is your bottom one because you're going to go in like that. Cup's going to go here. It's going to sit in between like so, and then you're going to go ahead and tighten it down. It's going to be pushing on the upper part of your ball, shoving it right down into your cup. Why am I having such a difficult time? Okay, see this, boys and girls? It's like so. Slide into like that. And that time tighten it up. Oh wow. This one's gonna go sit right inside that cup like so. I'll show you real quick. Setup. Okay, here's a quick overview of what we have here. And you get your bottom cup, and then you got your top. Well, there's your cup, there's your base, and when you get the manual, it tells you right here how to set it up. So you get your lower cup, and then here's that your adapter, and then you get your upper adapter, and now you're just going to tension it up and then pop that puppy back out. And then when you go install it, it's even got U-joint remover, and then you're going to do the exact opposite. You're going to put your adapter on the bottom here, and then you're going to go ahead and put your cup over your ball joint, and then you got your adapter on top, and then you're going to go and do exactly the opposite. Now alignment is going to be, you're going to have to play with the alignment to get it in the hole, but other than that, it's pretty much that simple. Okay, let's do this. Now I got my ratchet, 1/2-inch ratchet, 22 socket on the bottom of here, and extension. So now what that's going to do is that's going to slide that way, so it's going to lock against the back part of the It's moving. Pushing it out. You're doing good. Beautiful. You even need that anymore. There it went. It's dropping out with it. We're going to do the exact opposite. We're going to put the cup on top. And then we're going to put this lower one facing up. And then we're going to shove it right back up. Sweet, huh? Now alignment for the new one is going to be, will be the kind of the trick. Put a cup on it. I'm just going to line it right back up. I'm just putting it in there so I can. Alright. So let's do the opposite now. We're going to put, you don't have, in fact, you don't even need this anymore. This was just wide enough. It had to be wide enough for this to go in it. As long as it's wide enough, it's got to sit on the foot of that. That's wide enough right there. So now you're going to take, these have two different size holes. So you're going to want the bigger hole one to go over your shaft. And she's going to sit just like that. The bottom one has got the smaller hole. That's so that can fit in. You don't need as much clearance. Okay. Then you're going to tighten it up. And your C-clamp is going to push against like so. Okay, we'll get her started. That should line itself up to be pretty straight. Because you definitely need the puppy here. See how far we are in. Just for the record. Okay, we got a little ways to go. Okay. Looking good. Alrighty. Go back. Okay. Once it gets all the way through there, it'll be easier. And now it's aligned itself. Always a nice hopefully that was it. Yeah, probably gonna go the other way too. Pinches if I could put on that. See, will we? There. So, I would say so. Yes, indeed. We're seated. All right, nice and seated. Okay, we saw how simple that was. Now, real important. She is sitting right here. Make sure you get that freaking boot back on there. You don't want to get crap in it. There you go. That's that. Put my kit away, but that was a good quick little lesson. This one, putting it in, you go on the top. Where is it? Okay, putting it in. Your ball's going through here, or your shaft's going through there. This is sitting on top of this, or actually, this is sitting on top of here, and that's pushing. It's pushing the ball back in from the bottom, and then you're going to do the opposite. You're going to have one under here, and then you're going to be pushing down on top of it like I showed you.